The Vitamix E310 made its way to the top of the chain for a very short period since it was released recently, but due to its quality and high performance, it's remained up there. This blender has features that make it a suitable blender in every kitchen. From a design perspective, this unit has a 4-blade stainless steel construction that can cut through frozen fruit and ice cubes, which talks about how powerful it is. There's a 3-pound BPA-free plastic container included, which serves for blending a variety of ingredients. Additionally, the container has markings to measure how much liquid you've put in. Let's talk about performance, however. The Vitamix E310 is among the most powerful we've seen, and they have a great reputation for high-quality blending machines, durable enough to withstand years of usage. Considering the motor, this unit comes with a strong 2.0 HP motor and has 1380 watts, which is great in my opinion, since not many other competitors out there boast the same. So for this price range, it's a perfect fit. Moving on, the blender's control has 10 speeds that can be varied by the user, which also gives the user total control of the blending process. It allows them to make tasty soups and one of the smoothest purees thanks to the ability to control the speed on the blender's processing. Moreover, the manufacturer claims that this tool can be counted as a multi-purpose universal blender which can make smoothies, juices, nut butter, soups, frozen desserts, batters, milkshakes and more. What I like most about this product is that it's very easy to clean, which could be a problem otherwise with other blenders that have poor build quality, but this is definitely not the case here. What I don't like about this machine is that because of its huge motor, these blenders can be loud sometimes. But again, I don't think this should be a problem since you'll have issues with most high-powered motors as far as noise goes. Generally, the Vitamix E310 is mainly recommended to those who want to change their lifestyle, diet, or their overall health. So, to conclude, if you want to make a great investment for yourself and your family, this blender could be the right choice.